Welcome back to the Popcorn Genius. It's football season, so we're popping up flavors for your favorite football team. And today, we're doing popcorn for the Green Bay Packers. Today, we're popping up popcorn for the Green Bay Packers. And what's more Green Bay Packers cheeseheads than cheese popcorn? So we're going to be popping up some great cheese popcorn today, a great savory, cheesy flavor. And to do that, we're going to be using, it's called Snappy Cheddar Popcorn Seasoning. Take a look at that. Let's open it up and give it a smell. Oh yeah, cheesy, nice bright orange cheese for our popcorn. We got our seasoning, so let's get popping. First thing we're gonna do is turn on our kettle. Let's check the temperature of our kettle, see how hot it is. We've been popping some flavors in here today. We're at 347 degrees already, so that is actually heated up to right where we need it. I'm actually gonna turn it off while we get our oil out because we don't want it to get too hot. We have an 8-ounce popcorn popper here, so we're going to be using 8 ounces of kernels and 3 ounces of oil. So let's measure out our oil. We're going to give it 1, 2, 3 pumps of our buttery goodness popcorn oil. This stuff is great for popping. It's a popping oil, but it's also a topping oil. Let's turn our kettle back on, dump in our oil. And we have 8 ounces of kernels here. These are the mushroom kernels. It's a mushroom variety, so they're going to pop up nice and big and round for us. We're going to have lots of little nooks and crannies for our seasoning to stick to. We're going to close this up. We already have our cheese measured out. We're going to be using 1/3 cup of our cheese here. Look at that. Nice and beautiful color, nice consistency. This is just what we want to be able to coat our popcorn really nicely. While that's heating up, I want to take a minute, tell you about kettlecornmachine.com. Kettlecornmachine.com sponsored this video. They make some great commercial quality popcorn poppers for making kettle corn. They have all different size kettle corn poppers that you can use if you're popping at farmers markets, at fairs, whatever you want to do to make kettle corn. They make the best machines. We actually have an 80-quart popper that we use, and it pops up popcorn so fast and it makes it so good. So definitely check them out. There's a link down in the description, but you can just go to www.kettlecornmachine.com and check out all the cool stuff they have. They even do lemon shake-up stuff, so really good stuff. Check them out for sure. Tell Destiny that Popcorn Genius sent you, and I'm sure they'll take care of you. All right, we're starting to sizzle here. It's really good. While that's happening, we're going to get out our food-safe Ziploc bag. This is what we're going to use to coat our popcorn. It just makes it easier. It keeps everything cleaner. This is a 2-gallon food-safe bag. And once this pops up, I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to use this. I hear it popping up. It's really, really good. I wish you were here to smell this because it smells really great. It has this nice buttery aroma. It's walking all through the house. Really, really good. Why is the Green Bay Packers a cheesehead? Well, Wisconsin is basically the heartland of the dairy industry, and that's why cheese is something that they haven't. We're popping up. It's popping up big. We're going to listen for this. When it starts to slow down, that's when we're going to dump it. All right, starting to slow down. We're going to turn off our kettle. We're going to give it a dump. There we go. Stir this around just a little bit. Get those unpopped kernels down to the bottom. Let's take a look at a couple pieces here. Look at all those nooks and crannies in there, and all our cheese is going to stick all inside those. These are the mushroom variety, like I said. They're nice and big and round. They look a little different than, say, what popcorn you might get if you make in a microwave. That's the butterfly style. These are the nice big mushroom variety. Let's fill up our bag. We want to do this while the popcorn's still nice and hot. You see, we got about 1 gallon of popcorn. This is a 2-gallon bag, right? So we're filled up about halfway. So we have about 1 gallon. And we're going to take our 1/3 cup of cheese powder. We're going to put that right in there. Close this up. Give it a shake. Oh, look how nice and orange that is. Oh, yeah, that's sticking to that. Nice. That's what's great about these bags when you're shaking up your popcorn. Oh, yeah, look at that. That looks awesome. Ooh, smells good, too. Let's take a look at one of those pieces right there. Look at that. All those kernels. Let's give it a taste. Oh, yeah. Mmm. All right, check this piece out. Look at that. Look at all that cheese in there. That is so good. Nice and crunchy. That is so cheesy. It's so good. Wow. What a great, great flavor. Perfect flavor for Green Bay Packers, cheese heads, cheese popcorn. Great for a party, great for a snack when you're watching the game. Get yourself a bag of this. This is great, great stuff. Remember, in life and with popcorn, you just got to get out there and get popping.